In today's video, I'll show you how to add a logo to your invoice in QuickBooks Online. Adding your logo is a quick win that makes your invoices look polished and on brand, and the process is simple. Before we start, make sure you have your logo file ready on your computer. A clear, high-resolution image works best. PNG or JPG formats are ideal, and a transparent background will give the cleanest look. Open QuickBooks Online and go to the top left of your screen. Click New, then select Invoice. This opens the invoice editor where you can create or view an invoice. If you already have an invoice open, you can follow along from there. In the invoice editor, look toward the top right section of the invoice preview. You'll see a space reserved for your company logo. It might appear as a placeholder, so take a moment to find it. Click the Add Logo option in that area. QuickBooks will prompt you to upload your logo file. Choose the file from your computer or drag and drop it into the upload box. Once selected, QuickBooks will place it on your invoice automatically. Confirm the upload, and your logo will be added and positioned in the correct spot. If it looks blurry or low quality, try uploading a higher resolution version. A square or horizontal logo usually fits best, and keeping the file size reasonable helps it load faster. Once added, your logo will appear at the top of the invoice and will also be included in the PDF sent to your customers. This helps reinforce your brand every time you send an invoice. If the logo doesn't show immediately, refresh the page. Also, avoid overly busy backgrounds in your logo so your invoice stays clean and easy to read. That's it. You've successfully added your logo to your QuickBooks Online invoice.